This is a 48-inch Silkon, a brown Silkon. Actually, it's a pair of 48-inch Silkons from the 80s. I was clearing out somebody's garage the other day, and these things were sitting in the scrap pile. They were just about to throw them in the garbage. They're in excellent condition. That one does have some bearing noise, and that one, the blade is warped a little bit, but that can be straightened out. But hey, these things are good. I said, I have got to have those. So they said, take them. I said, all right. So let's fire these things off here. I'm going to put them on low real quick. And my camera either overheats or the SD card will cut off on me. So if this video ends abruptly like the last one, just know it was one or the other. I can't have nothing that works. That one goes a little slower, and it stops real fast, but that's a normal low speed. Right about there is where it's supposed to be. These are from the 80s. I don't know exactly what year, but hey, they run great. Let's put them on medium up here. They move a good bit of air. And that one has the warped blade and it sits still. This one, the blades are straight and it wobbles. Can't really tell on here. But here we go. Let's put them on high. Buddy. Hear them bearings roaring in that one. They both have reverse on them, updraft, and I'm sure that you know what that looks like. I'm gonna take a chance at it and fire it up in updraft. Hang on. Forgive me, I'm not 8 feet tall. Here we go. There they go in reverse. I put them on high because I don't feel like going through all 3 speeds. I know you all know what that looks like. That one's a little louder on updraft. And I'll tell you what, they'll put off a whole lot of air like that. Yes, sir. All right. I'm gonna shut these things off and let them spin down. I've got my Union fan sitting down there on the floor. It has taken 4 hours to make this 4-minute video. Literally. So, hey. Alright, y'all, they're spinning down in reverse, but I'm gonna head on out and I'll have something else up later. I haven't decided if I'm gonna sell these yet or put them up in my house. I just don't know. I like these too much to just get rid of. I can't decide yet. What do you think? Should I sell them or should I keep them? And if I sell them, how much? Alright, y'all. I must leave here. My cat's asleep or I'd show him to you. I know y'all just love to see Mr. Noise. Alright, I'm gonna shut up. See yas.